Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can remove your design from your nylon using your retarder. The design on this nylon is not looking perfect, it's not looking the way I want it, so I'll be using my retarder. I bought this retarder 1.5 in the market, so I'll be applying the retarder on the nylon to remove the design, which also you can do by yourself. If you have a design that is not looking the way you want it, use your retarder. The retarder is like an hypo, so you can use it to remove the ink on the design. So join me as you do that using our retarder. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the first thing I will do, I will apply my retarder on a foam. So I will first use my foam. I will apply a retarder on it. Then I will start cleaning it up. So as you can see, it's removing my ink, it's removing the design I did on the nylon. I want to do the screen printing myself. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to screen print on nylon. We are also starting our online tutorial on how to customize on nylon. We will give you a step-by-step training on how to start your own nylon printing business right at the comfort of your home. You can also contact us for your branding, souvenirs, general printing and computer training. My number is on the screen. If you love this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more content. See you in my next video. Bye.